welcome to Tintina Super Twins channel. We have another unboxing which is Itel A70 pero bago ang lahat, if bago pa kayo sa channel namin, pindutin nyo na ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago naming videos. Okay, let's continue and enjoy watching.
The Itel A70 will come in a choice of 4 colors: field green, azure blue, brilliant gold, and starlish black. The Itel A70 features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a dynamic bar technology. The phone comes in 2 other variants as well, one with 128GB storage combined with 12GB 4+8 RAM configuration and another with a 64GB storage option coupled with 12GB 4+8 RAM. Boasting an industry-leading 256GB storage and 12GB RAM and a captivating 6.6-inch display with dynamic bar technology. Powering this device is a 5000 mAh battery. The device encompasses functionalities, including intelligent notifications enhancing the user experience, such as alerts during phone calls, progress updates for charging sessions and face unlock feature. The A70 boasts a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP AI selfie camera. The phone is also equipped with face recognition and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, providing an additional layer of security for users. Advanced octa-core processor, fluidly navigate through the different apps to easily handle your daily needs. Upgraded OS 13 system, Smart Link Plus reducing latency by 20%. Network, 4G, 3G, 2G. Processor, T603 octa-core. Dimension, 163.94*75.7*8.6 mm. Charge, USB Type-C. Inside the box. The unit. User manual. Phone case. Charger adapter. SIM ejector. USB Type-C cable. Shopee price 3,999 pesos and Lazada price 4,799 pesos.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you like our videos, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel Tintina Super Twins channel, and don't forget to click our notification bell for more video updates. Salamat po at ingat po kayong lahat. See you again in our next videos. Bye bye.